Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export all contacts in from Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you can do it by going to the data export and then search for the contact page or the contact. Let's just use data export, and then we need just to search for our contact. So from the objects here in export, you can search for your contacts and accounts, etc. So from there, you can just start the contact export and that's it. Otherwise, you can do it by going to the reports and then you create a new report and then it will should include all the contacts. So from here, account and contacts, and we need just to search for all the contacts. So from here, I'm just going to choose contacts and accounts, and then we will need just to start a report, and after that we will need just to use all the contacts and run, and after that, or after you run in your report, you will need just to export your data. So from here we will need just to click on export after you have all your data, and then you will need just to click on export, and then you can format it or details only. So from here you will have an Excel format. You click on export. Another way to do it is by using this Chrome extension. So let's just go like that and allow, and basically from here you will need just, let's go back to our home, and simply we need just to go here and search for contact. We need to search for contacts in our inspector reloaded. So this is our object, and simply search for our objects here, contact, and basically we can find all the contacts and choose the your users or your contacts, and then select and run the export, and after that you will find the export results and you will have all your contacts. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.